Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, in this video I want to give you a special update on AMC. I want to explain the short squeeze setup here, which we had back in 2021 when AMC and a lot of other stocks squeezed. Not only AMC and GameStop, guys, we had many squeezes in the market. You can just search for Plug Power, whatever, hydrogen stocks, pharmacy stocks. Many stocks squeeze, and I want to explain you the short squeeze situation here, the short squeeze situation for AMC, and what do I think if there is still a squeeze possible or not. I want to upload this video, guys, because I have now here 1 million views on YouTube since I started this channel here, a little bit more than 1 year ago. I thank everybody here for your support, especially my members, my followers, and you when you're just viewing this video right now. I want to see if the trading community, the AMC community, is still there, if we have still a lot of apes out there. So let's see if we can hit this video here more than 10,000 likes. If you are an AMC shareholder, I don't know how many people will see this video, but if you're an AMC shareholder, guys, please hit the like, and if you want the subscribe button right now, I want to get here more than 10,000 likes. Let's see if we can make this happen together. Thank you so much for your support. So guys, let's now start here with AMC. Yeah, in my opinion, or if you don't know what happened here to AMC, when we zoom out, then the all-time high for AMC is $393.63. This is a new split adjusted price. AMC performed two reverse stock split back in August 2023. The first was like a normal stock split in the ratio of 17:15 that had something to do with the so-called ape shares, which they brought into the market, and then AMC performed a reverse stock split in a ratio of 1:10. So that means the official all-time high price back here in 2021, that was here June 2021, was $70.62. So the reason why you now see here in TradingView an adjusted price is because this is a split adjusted chart. To not confuse you, I will of course just talk here about the actual price levels from the chart, otherwise that will be too complicated. Yeah, so there are a lot of rumors what happened here during the short squeeze and why the short squeeze maybe didn't went higher and stuff like that. So first of all, you need to understand how the market makers play their games. And in my opinion, when we see the overall chart, AMC has never been in an uptrend. So of course, guys, everything what I say here is not financial advice. This is just to explain you here how the chart is working here. The main purpose of my channel is to educate you in trading, and usually I do that by showing here short squeeze stocks. Not only showing them, I try to predict them. That's why I also want to give you here an update on AMC if there is a potential short squeeze situation in the market. So when we see what happened here for AMC here between 2013, this is the first time when we have here the chart in TradingView, and 2017, we have here a volatility range of about 100%. So you can see almost 100%. Here was something like a bottom at $104. This is of course here the split adjusted price, and the top was somewhere here at $190, so almost a 100% trading range here. 90% was the volatility zone for AMC before this ticker tanked down. And that's why I say there was never a real uptrend. This is very important. When you see a short squeeze and short sellers don't close all their short positions, that was what happened here. Short sellers didn't close all their short positions. Many people say this was not a short squeeze because the short sellers didn't close their positions. Yes, this is correct, guys, but not every short seller closed all their short positions, and they of course can open new short positions anytime soon. And this is what happened here with AMC. The data sources that we have like Ortex or Fintel are not always on point. They don't show you the full truth. They have delayed data. Most of these platforms just get updated twice a month. That's why we have some lack of information sometimes. So when I show you here the chart, then, or the drawings here, then we know that $105, this is what I spotted here as the previous bottom for AMC. And you can see after this tank down here, after the price dropped back here to $60. There was one more attempt to break this price level to regain $105 before AMC finally got rejected, and we all know the end of the story. We ended up here in the low $10 range, and you can see the all-time low based on the actual chart. Of course, I show you that in a second, was during that time $10.35, and this is a very important information. If AMC never was trading in an uptrend and we have some short squeeze situation or squeeze situation like that, then of course the market makers, aka the algos, know that this is not a natural price action, that this is not a bullish reversal. This was an unusual event, and that's why the market makers stick to their strategy and they don't have to close their positions. So if the market makers, they of course have some bank accounts and stuff like that, if nobody telling them, hey, you have to close your short positions because your margin requirements are out of scope whatsoever, guys, if they don't have to do that, why should they close their short positions? This is the definition of a short squeeze, that they have to close their positions. But when they know this is just an algo reaction and they have no stop loss or something like that, why should they close their positions, guys? See it from a different view. Let's just assume you bought in here at $100 and then AMC squeezed to $390, and you don't take profits, you don't sell your stocks and don't take profit, and now let's say the stock is tanking down. It's the same question. Why did you not sell your stocks? Because maybe you believed that it will squeeze higher, and this is the same for the bearish market makers, aka the short sellers. If they believe that this is just an unusual trading action here, trading price action, they will hold to their strategy and even short the stock even more down when it crashes up. So if the theory is right that AMC has never been in an uptrend, then that should mean that we have to come back here, or AMC, the price has to come back in this trend channel, right? So we can simulate now here in TradingView the future price action. Of course, you all know where the price is for AMC right now, but I just want to show you that here, based on the technical, how the stock is reacting here. So let's press play. This is a weekly chart here, by the way. And this is the reason here. I will also explain you this trend channel pattern here, this trend line pattern. And here we go, guys. You can see here was the $100 range, the previous bottom. So we had, again, a technical reaction. The bulls fighted here to keep the price over this trend channel pattern here, to confirm something like a bullish reversal. But you can see that the market makers, aka short sellers, stepped in, and that was the beginning of the end. They managed to bring the price back down in this trend channel pattern. And as soon as we come to the bottom of this trend channel pattern, we should see a technical reaction, if this chart is right, which I draw it here. And you can see how this wedge pattern is building up. So we have here an algo trend line which is controlling the price in addition to this trend channel. This was here a very, very important move, and everybody knows what happened here. This was exactly the moment when AMC decided to release the ape shares, made the reverse stock split ape conversion. In my opinion, guys, that was the most significant date and price range here for a potential breakout to the upside. So you can see that we had this very important support price level at $49. We have this algo trend line here. I will zoom in for you guys. We have this algo trend line which is controlling the price. We have here the support price range. You can see that after AMC tanked down, after we regained here $48, we had here a breakout with a confirmation and then this massive short squeeze. So in my opinion, the two significant price levels here for AMC are $48.30 and $105, guys. Actually still, that never changed. The algos are still programmed on that, and that's why I was quite, I said we have here a very good chance to see a short squeeze happening here, exactly here when we try to break out back over this price level here. You can see this candle here was an attempt to break out. This was the last point of resistance during that time, and guess what, guys, exactly here and that date and time range, AMC brought the AMC shares to the market, made the reverse stock split, and you can see what happened then. The chart picture which we have with the nice volatility just broke. And when you just follow up here this trend line, you can see exactly when we came at the date range where we hit this trend line here, we had a squeeze attempt here for AMC. That was here back in May this year, guys, May 2024. That was the first single attempt to break out, and since then we're trading here flat to the sideways. Guys, what does that mean for AMC? Can this ticker still squeeze? Yes, guys, this ticker can still squeeze. We have still squeeze potential as long as they don't dilute the hell out of the stock We have an open gap here at $42.88. So that is possible that AMC even come back and close this gap. That's why I say, in my opinion, not financial advice, the price level are unchanged when AMC can manage it to break $48.30. Yeah, and especially break out of this trend channel pattern here. That is, of course, depending here on the date and time. But if we would see a straight line to the upside today, we talk here about a main resistance of $57. That would be here the price range between $48 and $57, where we need to see some volume coming in to see a breakout happen, and then the price go to the upside would be, in my opinion, the previous bottom at $105. If AMC could squeeze over $105, guys, that would cause a massive squeeze. Then we can talk about something like a short squeeze or even a MOAS, guys. Yeah, as I said, it is a short squeeze play. The chance is still there. If they don't dilute this stock too much, there is still a chance. Yeah, this is not to make you hope or to make you sad. I just want to explain you the short squeeze situation, why this was an unusual event for the short sellers and why they didn't close their short positions, because overall, how I see the chart, AMC was trading in a downtrend. As I said, guys, I try to predict here short squeezes every day on my channel. I have a lot of tickers in my pocket where I predict short squeezes, and I did that already successful here. We had one massive squeeze here in September after my prediction. One of my hot stocks squeezed here 1,400%, and just here just one day before I made this video here, one of my swing trade alerts also squeezed 108%. Here was the date when I released this here, and then one day later we had a 108% squeeze. I always try to do that, guys. If you want to see that content, I have here the so-called hot stocks on my channel. These videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential stocks, and as I said, I always release these videos before a ticker squeezes, guys. So if you want to join in our trading community here, I can show you that really quick. Zack, zack, zack. So we have here the Elite Circle membership on YouTube. With this membership, you only get access to my member videos, and hot stock videos also have a lot of AMC and GameStop videos available here. But if you also want to see these Patreon swing trade squeezes here, for example, then the much more popular membership is the full package membership on Patreon. Of course, you also get here all the member videos, the hot stock videos, and in addition, my Patreon trading alerts. No matter, guys, if you're a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome to join in. The links to the memberships are here in the video description. Yeah, guys, that was my short squeeze update here for AMC. The chance is still there, but you can see that the chart is flattening out here. We have a lot of open gaps in the chart. In my opinion, there is a new trend channel pattern building up, because we cannot hit the bottom of this trend channel here anymore. That's why the bottom is not here inside anymore based on this trend channel pattern, but the top, guys, is still active. When I see the chart, how the chart reacted here, you can see very clearly the touch points. That's why, in my opinion, here a squeeze back to $42, even $57, depending on the time and date, is possible, and everything over that, guys, could lead here into a massive short squeeze for AMC. If you want to copy, guys, the price levels here in the chart, especially here $105, $148 and this trend channel, this is, as I said, everything made here by TradingView. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but I can offer you here a discount link in the video description. I really recommend that program. I use that for all my videos and for all my own trades. If you want to get TradingView, guys, you can use my discount link. By using this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium subscription here. This is also good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, let's hit the 10,000 likes here with this video. Let's bring this out into the world. Everybody has to understand how that works, how the short squeezes work, and that there is still hope for AMC. I thank you so much for your support. Wish you great success with all your trades, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.